Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another quick renovation. We are at House Black. We are going to be removing some laminate flooring which got water damage over the recent few months with the heavy rains that we faced in South Africa. And we're going to be replacing it with tiles, doing tile skirtings and tile strips on top. But let me show you guys quickly what we are dealing with and what we are working with. To start off with, we are going to be replacing, it's basically a garden cottage that has been built from the old double garage, but we are replacing all of the skirtings and laminate flooring around this area going into this room. And over here you'll see the damage from the water. It's very brittle if you try and pick up the laminate flooring. So this will all be replaced with tiles. This section is staying the way that it is. We're just going to join the new tiles and obviously add some tile skirtings around. But we are going to get started by removing these laminate flooring and then taking them to the dump. And then day 2 we should have the tile layer with the tiles and tile adhesive to start applying the new tiles. And hopefully by day 3 we'll be finished with tiling, grouting and installing the strips. So let me put you on a time lapse and yeah, we'll get through smashing out this laminate flooring. So that's going to wrap up day 1. We removed the laminate flooring with all the plastics and skirtings and stuff pretty fast. It took us about an hour and 15 minutes. The client has ordered the tiles, so I didn't have the tiler come through today because we would have waited for delivery. So we will start day 2 tomorrow morning fresh with the tiler being here and with the tile adhesive tiles, all of that ready to go. And then hopefully, like I said, by Wednesday I'm aiming to be finished. It's about 32 squares, 35 squares in total with all the skirtings. But yeah, here's the other room. We just moved the couch in there, and it's actually very nice because this place is screed. I'm assuming this was a double garage at a stage or a single garage at a stage, but the screed is in very good condition, which means prep work wise for the tiling will go smoothly and we can just get smashing out the tiles. So join us for day 2. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Showing the beautiful garden. It is day 2 at House Black. I just got the tiles delivered as well as the tile adhesive, or half of the tile adhesive. I'm going to go fetch the other bags now, but the tiler and them already got the line down for where the tile line is going to start. This, like I said, it should take about 2 days to complete. There's one obstacle. We've got a cupboard that's in the space which is kind of blocking us, but I should go inside quickly and show you guys where the tile line will start. Okay, so you see tile line has been laid down, and we're starting with a full tile by the door frame. So this section that I'm planning in now will be done first, and then obviously, like I said yesterday, yeah, by the wooden paneling, it will be the wooden skirting that's going back there, and then the rest of the room is getting tile skirting with a light grey tile strip. So we are going to go fetch the other bags of tile adhesive, and by the time we get back you should see some pretty good progress already, and I'll put the guys on a time lapse from there. Sorry if it's a bit windy, I don't have my windsock yet, but we are busy finishing up day 2 at House Black. The guys have made extremely great progress today with the tiling. Pretty much all the tiling is done so far. Only thing that is left to do tomorrow on day 3 will be the skirtings and the grouting that I'm going to show you so far. It has been going really well. Just looking in from the other side, from the other room, we'll go through the window here. So yeah, just the last few edging tiles that need to go in, and then the tile cement will set overnight. Obviously we did mix a little bit of extra bonding liquid with the tile adhesive, and with the screed being rough, it has actually been drying faster than the drying time says on the tile adhesive packages. So join me for day 3 tomorrow. I'll see you guys for the finishing of House Black. The guys have just finished up grouting the last room. I'm gonna go through and show you guys now all that we did do. As you remember, this entire floor was laminate flooring that was damaged due to a flood. We reinstalled the old skirtings over there, and by this wall. And then if you go through, you'll see that we did tiles throughout both rooms. So I just think this is I don't know, it finishes off the floor very nicely. I'm glad that the client got a tile similar to what they had in a small piece of kitchen behind me. Only thing about these tiles, and that's one thing I can give a heads up, if you're buying cheaper tiles, they do tend to differ in size by 1 to 2 mils. So in some areas the gaps and the lines aren't the straightest, or how can I say even, but that is due to the tiles being mismatched with their sizing from the factory when they got casted. I'm not really sure how tiles get made. But thank you for joining for another video. I'm going to end it off here, and I'm just going to end off the video with a short cinematic sequence of the before and after of the laminate floors compared to the tiles. Thank you for tuning in again. It's day 3, quick turnaround for this job. Luckily we were blessed with the screed that was in good condition, but we'll see you guys on the next project. Thank you for tuning in, and have a good day. Cheers.